Are you tired of having your car alarm going off? And as it happened a lots of time, we thinking is it's a electronic problem or a bad sound. Set it up. Uh, I found that when I have these remotes in my pocket, I have sometimes the keys will press one of these buttons here for the alarm or whatsoever. The, this is the alarm and that's the trunk button. I found out also that my trunk opens up once in a while, and I figured out that that's what happened. My keys in the pocket will activate by pressing those buttons. What I did is I looked for something that I could put over my remote so it won't happen again, which it works. I found one of these here, which you probably know. You've seen something like this before with those little candy mints. What I did is I peel off the cover and you separate. Okay, and I do separate the remote from the keychain this way here. Okay. Sliding the ring. There we go. And what I do is I take the cover, sliding through the hole on top, and I go back with my keychain ring. Set it up again in here. And there you go. Take the bottle, slide the remote into the bottle, snap it in. There you go. Quick way, cheap. Now can't press the keys, cannot activate my buttons in the pocket. Thank you for listening.